Hi, welcome to Coding Monday. This is Vishnu Agarwal, and today I'm going to discuss about auto ID and default ports of EV3 sensors. So here we have EV3 brick and all 4 sensors we have. So the default port for touch sensor, the first sensor is port number 1. The default port for gyro sensor is port number 2. Default port for light and color sensor is port number 3, and the default port for ultrasonic sensor is port number 4. So to remember this pattern where you have to connect touch, gyro, light and ultrasonic, I have made a pattern called TGLU. So T for touch, G for gyro, L for light and U for ultrasonic sensor. All EV3 sensors are having auto ID feature inbuilt in it. So if your brick is connected through software via a cable or Bluetooth, then the auto ID should warn you if you select a port which is not the one the sensor is connected to by showing a caution sign. It is generally safer to use default ports whenever it is possible because whenever you are making a small program, then it is very easily you can identify the mistakes you have done in selecting the ports. But when you are making a very long program where a lot of my blocks are involved, all the sensors are involved, then it is little difficult to find where exactly you have done the mistake in selecting the port. So it's highly recommended that whenever you're using all the sensors or whatever sensors in making a program, please use the default port. So don't forget the pattern called TGLU, so touch, gyro, light and ultrasonic sensor. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel ROBO-G. We'll see you next week with a new concept. Bye bye.